Hi Crafty friend, it's me, Justine Dvorak. I hope you're doing well. Watch me make a mistake right away on this video. So I'm going to show this because not everything is the way it always seems online. So here I go, making a mistake right away, and I thought that this would be perfect to do blue on top and work from the top down, and then I just had some issues here. So you'll kind of see me kind of fumble a little bit. So there's that. I'm taking some Distress Oxides and a cloud dye that I had in my stash. I don't even know where it came from. And I'm going to make a background. And for what, you might ask? For the large day of the month, of course. I love this one. It is a beautiful little island. And yeah, this is the moment where I was like, how am I going to make this work? Ugh. Anyway. The large die is so cute. It has 2 Adirondack chairs. It has a little umbrella. Whoops. There we go. Flipping it over. And we're going to start again. Anyway, it has an umbrella, Adirondack chairs. It has an island. It has a sun, clouds. You can make a skyline with a line die. It's just wonderful. So I'm going to make a little beachy moment and make a big 5x7 card. Can you tell it's a 5x7 card from this? I don't know. Anyway, I'm starting off with picked raspberry on the bottom and working my way up from the bottom. I forgot that that is what I prefer when I use stencils. I don't know why I forgot, but I did. So here I see that my water is going to cover this anyway. So second mistake of the video. Can I even craft? I don't know. We'll just keep it going, keep her moving, like my dad says, and just keep blending the background up. Now these 4 colors are my favorite for making cloudy backgrounds and even for some like oceany themed cards. It's Picked Raspberry, Salty Ocean, Blueprint Sketch, and Preserved Seedless Preserves. That's what I'm using right now. It's like a purpley pink. These 4 colors are just my favorite. They're cool tones and they're just everything that I love about color. So they complement my card colors a little bit here. I originally went with a red and white chair, you'll see in a bit, but then I ended up going and switching my colors out. But I do want to make a red and white Adirondack chair because I think that looks very classic and nautical. But if you like nautical and classic looking things, here are 2 collections that I think you're going to like that are coming up. One is from Spellbinders, and that is the Vicky's collection that is coming out, the Tunnels, and she has a lot of really cool tunnel dies. I mean, you can make skies, but you can also make water scenes, so that's coming out. And then Dawn Holsagel, I'm hopefully saying her name correctly, is also coming out with a collection called Fair Winds, and that is very, very nautical. I'm talking like sailboats, beaches, lighthouses. It's super cool, and I have a really awesome card planned with her collection, so I am thrilled to start it. I really just want to be done with all the little details that I need to finish up with my club videos on YouTube and work on that, just being real blunt with you, but here I am. Anyway, I'm really excited about that one because I am going to do something with card making that I've never done before, so something new. So there's bound to be some learning experiences coming my way. I know, just lovely, isn't it? And those 2 collections, like I said, are very nautical, so they're coming up right for you. So, like I said before, I changed up the colors of my chair cushions, or fabric, I guess, and I pulled out my Scout. If you don't know, the Scout is the new small die cutting system from Spellbinders. It is so good. I've been using it like crazy, and I think they're going to ship soon, so that's fantastic. So if you pre-ordered, you might get yours soon. I am not a Spellbinders employee, nor do I work at the warehouse, so I don't know specifically, but it's probably coming sooner than when you ordered it, if you ordered it a long time ago. So that is so specific, isn't it? Okay, Well, I die cut out 3 of the islands because I wanted some fun kind of dimension and color change up on my islands here. You could have just gone with 1, but since I went landscape with my layout, I thought that that would look kind of cute. But you could just do 1 chair and 1 island, and that would be really neat as well. There's my little sun. I'll just tuck it in behind the island before things dry too much. And I did die cut out clouds for this. I end up not using them, spoiler, but now I have some really cute bouncy clouds that I can use on other cards. Perhaps on the nautical ones that I am doing soon. So, oh, I can't talk about that yet. There's another fun thing coming up next week. So stay tuned for that. It'll probably be on Instagram that I'll be posting about that. So there's that. Let me put these little chairs together. I kind of justify it off to the side that the chair is leaning. So this one is leaning to the left. So I'm going to put the cushion or the fabric toward the left. There will be a little gap there, and that's fine. I'll layer on the white stripes like that. And all of a sudden these chairs are looking so realistic. There we go. I think I keep saying Adirondack chairs, and looking at these, they are certainly not Adirondack chairs. They are beach chairs. So yeah, sorry. They're beach chairs, adorable folding beach chairs. Yeah, I don't know. But there is a fun umbrella that goes with this set as well. And I think if I would have turned my card and had it be a portrait style card, the umbrella would have fit perfectly. But my amazing friend Melanie Smith has made some fun cards with the clubs, and I saw hers and she used the umbrella. So check out her video if you need any help assembling that umbrella. Then I'm going to finish the card off with my Better Press sentiment there, and I foiled it with black foil. And you might be wondering, well, why did you foil a Better Press sentiment when you could have just Better Pressed it? And that is because I had some extra black foil, and I just thought, why not? And I do like black foil, so it worked out pretty well. The one thing I would change on this card, looking back at it now, is that the foreground, which is the water, and the background, which is the sky, are kind of 50-50 on this card. And usually when you use the rule of thirds, where you either bring the line up or bring the line down, it just looks better to the eye for whatever reason. So I think that if I had to redo this card again, I would probably move the water either up or down. But you know, you live and you learn, and I have this die set and I can make as many cards as I want with it. So we'll see what happens in the future. But as some say, foam can help and make cards look amazing. So I popped that sentiment up just like that. I wanted to pop up the sun originally, but then I figured it wouldn't make sense to have the foreground popped up. So I'm going to finish with a little bit of Wink of Stella, and we are all set. So if you like this card, please go ahead and let me know in the comments. Oh, I'm going to add some sand here. And then if you would like to share your card with me from this set, please join the Spellbinders Maker group on Facebook. I'd love to see what you make, and if you're looking for more inspiration, that's the place to go. So we'll see you next time, and like I said, I really appreciate you watching. Bye-bye, crafty friend.